Hello, hello. What are today's messages? Let's pick an envelope today. Thinking this one. Communicate clearly and balance yourself. Practice moderation, compromise, and cooperation. Wait for perfect timing. Second chances without growth are just patterns. Your time on earth is limited. Don't try to age with grace. Age with mischief, audacity, and with a great story to tell. Yes, yes. How does your joy show up in your life? Take notice of those moments and savor them. The first person you think of right now owes you tacos. Let them know they want a priceless dinner date with you. The real difficulty is to overcome how you think about yourself. Today will bring a happy outcome. You'll have brilliant new ideas that lead to success. Have confidence in yourself. Watch out for heavy winds. Your hair may get wind twistitious. Alrighty. Enlightenment is not something that occurs in the future after 50 years of sitting cross-legged and saying, It is right here in this instant. The reason you're not experiencing this state is because it is being resisted. Let go clinging to what has just occurred. Let go trying to control what you think is about to occur. Then you live in an infinite space of non-time and non-event. There is an infinite peace beyond description, and you are home. Releasing expectations. Only the highest possibilities come to be, whether I envision them or not. Don't discount yourself. You're full of potential. I intend to see this through a positive lens. And the last card today. Compassion. May you tend to the suffering. All right. Thanks for stopping by. Adios.